Hello and welcome to the podcast. I am Sapna and I have with me Deepa. Deepa is the director of Detours. She is also an avid traveler who has explored the length and breadth of India. So, Deepa, I've been dreaming of visiting the Northeast for a long time now, and I hope you can help me plan my trip there. So, there are 7 states in the Northeast. Are they all worth visiting? Which of them do you recommend?
So, Sapna, there are seven sister states. That's what we call there as Northeast states. Not all of them are quite touristic. Some of them are very well organized and a lot of places to explore. Like Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland are more people visiting, while Mizoram, Tripura, and Manipur are yet to come to that stage. And when you are planning to visit, you can combine 2 or 3 states according to the season in which you are visiting.
So I will be traveling with my family. That is, my parents will also be there. My children will also be there. So, which place do you think will be best for us to visit as a group?
To visit as a family group, Assam and Meghalaya will make sense because that has activities both for your parents as well as for the kids. In Assam, you can visit few temples since you will be landing in Guwahati. Kamakhya temple is very popular and it is a very powerful Shakti Sthal. And the architecture is quite different from what you see in South Indian temples. And Umananda temple is a very interesting place to go where you have to take a cruise across Brahmaputra river. And the other place where you can do what you can do in Assam is Kaziranga and take on a elephant safari through the park and spot the famed one-horned rhinoceros there. So these things will be very interesting, and you can walk through Guwahati market where you will find Assam silk and hand-woven shawls also, which is very famous there. On the other hand, Meghalaya will be very interesting for your children. Especially Meghalaya has lots of waterfalls and caves. So those who enjoy exploring caves can definitely visit Meghalaya, and they have a lot of adventure activities as well. So these two places will be an ideal 7 to 8 day tour for you to plan with the family. So the most popular of them are the Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh route. And anyway, the transport hub is in Guwahati. So Assam will be the first state where you land, and from there your journey continues.
So, Deepa, how is the food over there? What is the cuisine like in these states?
There you get a variety of cuisines, but when you are around, you should try out the local delicacies. Bamboo cooked chicken, bamboo cooked pork is very famous there, along with bamboo shoot curry. The tender bamboo shoots are made into a curry, and those are the delicacies you should try out there, along with rice beer. That is a very famous item of that region. And of course, you have this momos, variety of momos.
How about for the vegetarians? How is it over there if you go?
No, you have all varieties. It is vegetarians are not going to find it any problem finding good food or different type of curry. I am a vegetarian myself, and I have traveled to these regions, and I have never found food a problem there. So everybody can have a nice time in Meghalaya.
Deepa, let's talk about shopping in the Northeast.
Of course.
Very interesting subject,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So, what do you suggest we go looking for, and what souvenirs are good to bring home?
And you tell about Assam and Meghalaya, silk is very famous. You have Assam silk as well as Eri silks. Eri silk is a very wonderful fabric. You can get it home and make it into any type of dress you want. And then the next one, what you can look for there is the hand woven shawls. They have amazing embroidery made by the tribals, and the patterns are quite geometric and different. And for souvenirs, you get all sorts of bamboo products because, as I told you earlier, bamboo is very grown in large volumes there. So, bamboo products and bamboo handicrafts are quite popular there.
So, thank you, Deepa. This was a very enlightening session, and I think I have most of the information I need to go plan my trip to the Northeast. One last question for you. Is it better that we plan the entire journey by ourselves, or would you recommend that we go with a guided tour?
I would highly recommend that you go with a person with like a local guide or a travel agent because the places are a bit far away, interior, and little hard to reach. So you need lot of logistical help to do it, especially when you're flying from a different city. If you're not in your own car, you will need a cab to reach these places. So it is always better to go with a local guide. And the local guide can help you with a lot of new customs with their local tradition. And if there is any fest happening, he can take you around, and your experience will be far better if you go with a local guide. And since, of course, I am here, and if you are planning a tour, definitely approach me and come to me, and I will arrange everything for you as per your preference.
Okay, definitely.
Yes.
Thank you, Deepa.
Yes.
Thank you so much.